You know how many fucking antique shops sell fucking license plates, you fucking idiot? Am I allowed to do that, bro?
Wayne's World just crossed over into the real world.
Excuse me?
Wayne is confronting cops. What? And you're gonna love it.
Sure.
Yeah, exactly. It's my fucking truck, you stupid fuck. Do you like feel proud of yourself what you do every day? You got no chicks. You fucking sleep in a bed with a chick last night? No, dude. You're a nerd. You stupid dummy. Holy fuck. You fucking are a loser. You're gonna be proud of your life and the shit you did, bro? You just made that up.
Yeah.
I don't care.
I
don't care.
And what are you gonna
I don't care!
Bet your girlfriend's taller than you too, you little nerds. You guys ever kiss each other? Do you even know how to work a screwdriver? You look like a little baby. Can you even grow facial hair, you little baby? Arm up your flappy man tits, bud.
You guys are going to absolutely love this guy. Never underestimate the power, the sheer power of the mullet.
Game on!
This guy's got a mullet. His name's Zach. This comes from the YouTube channel First Gen Zach. I want to give you the setup real quick, and then we're going to get right into this video. But you're going to just stay tuned because you've never seen cops get talked to quite like this. This is almost like Wayne's World meets real life, complete with the mullet and everything. Zach says, me and my friends were walking into a restaurant. I opened the door for my friend to walk in, and all we hear in the background is, "Hey, buddy, is that your truck?" from the black officer, and then he proceeded to harass us. Calling in backup and the supervisor, even tried to make up a story that we diverted being pulled over and pulled into private property so they couldn't do anything to us. Meanwhile, and he's not using any punctuation here, meanwhile, we were just trying to get lunch and we were already halfway into the restaurant. For anybody who sees this video, I hope this explains this. We never got pulled over. We got harassed while we were trying to walk into a restaurant. So let's watch Zach perform his handiwork on these prying police officers.
Call like a supervisor, he'll be here. You don't know what you're doing. My truck not being white? For my truck not being white? Yeah. Is that a ticket? You're gonna write me a ticket? Is that a for my truck not being white? Yeah. You are.
He said you're violating the Highway Traffic Act, and it has something to do with the color of his truck. He said because it's not white. I'm not familiar with this Highway Traffic Act.
I don't have to tell you who I am.
Sorry?
I don't have to tell you who I am.
Okay, you mind I just stepping back there?
No, I'm here with my friend. I think I'm gonna do him.
I don't know who you are. I've never met you in my life, okay?
I've never met you either. I probably make more money than you do. So why are you being mean to us, man?
Mean to you?
Alright, you're gonna get arrested in a minute if you don't provide your driver's license and insurance.
Okay,
You can't.
You're going to get arrested if you don't make yourself insecure in your person. Now give us your ID. Yeah, you haven't committed a crime or anything, but there's a Highway Traffic Act out there and we got to save a whole bunch of people.
Yeah, go punch it into the computer.
You don't have the ownership of the vehicle. A
I
white.
got it stolen by a crackhead.
Okay, so it should come up as a white pickup truck. That's
I
what.
told you that.
Okay,
What-
who's this license plate from?
Tango 976. Yeah, bro, I stole those plates. Like no one. You know how many fucking antique shops sell fucking license plates? You fucking idiot. Holy fuck, bro. Am I allowed to do that, bro? Yeah, exactly. It's my fucking truck, you stupid. You guys fucking. You know what fucking color your car is? What the fuck color is your car on the ownership, dude? Because all those fucking cop cars, they're white,
And you're
black.
just
Does it say
waiting
white
on
and black?
that.
Does it say fucking gold letters on the side? You guys are fucking goofy. It does. You.
So that's good. So when this truck was purchased, apparently it was a different color, obviously. And then he just comes back at them and goes, do you think that the color of your cop cars right now were the original color when they rolled off the assembly line? I mean, the intellectual capitalism that we see in this video, how they capitalize on these cops with a mullet, looking like they do, the truck decorated like it is. This is just classic.
You know, you grow up and fucking feel cool. You like feel proud of yourself what you do every day. Cause like, you know, you didn't get, you got no chicks. You fucking sleep in a bed with a chick last night? No, dude, you're a nerd. You think I did? I'll answer that question, bro. You stupid dummy. Holy
God, this guy.
You're a fucking prankster, bro. You got fucked with in school, bro. You fucking are a loser. You fucking think you were cool growing up? You're gonna be proud of your life and the shit that you did, bro? Because this is more fucking than you'll ever fucking see. see. This is the most you're gonna see out of a fucking human, bro. I think you're doing more Pirelli. Fuck. Live by your shit. Stand by it, bro. I do. This is my shit. Fuck the cops, bro. Fuck you. Fuck this guy. You know why? Because fuck you guys. Think about it. Nah, it's not there for no reason. You think that all these pedestrians fucking give a fuck? They love this shit. Every old man like standing like this, they see this go by while they're standing talking to your dipshit ass. They're like, fuck yeah, dude. They smile. They're like, rock on, dude. This is a people's truck. Telling me to paint it white, bro. You're fucking over the people, bro. Let the kids paint on my truck, bro. The fact that your little dipshit ass would say that I gotta paint it white, bro, let the fuck.
This guy's sitting right here going, contemplating his choice of profession. Why did I get into this again? What is this all about? Why did I pull this guy over? What is the highway traffic code? Why don't I just leave this guy alone? Why am I coming at him and giving directives and threatening him with force and violence because he's not complying with me? What's going on with my life? Maybe the guy with the mullet has a point.
Down, you little fucking red-nosed fucking little nerd earpiece. You got dog. You got dog. You got trained, doggy. Yeah, bro, look at you standing wearing someone else's fucking clothes, bro. You're all geared up. It's not even your shit, bro. I got all the same fucking shit.
This guy makes a great
Look
point.
at the look on his fucking face, bro. Fucking stupid fucker. Yeah, call your dad. Call your fucking big brother. Fucking idiot. And working for the fucking hound.
Idiot 1 and idiot 2.
Got 3 fucking cops here because my truck's fucking painted. What color is that? What's that say on the winter sheet? That sure looks to me like, you know, a multicolored vehicle with writing on it. You guys feel more powerful now that you guys... All right, guys, let's do it.
So they're pulling him over for a multicolored vehicle with writing on it as they pull up with multicolored vehicles with writing on it. And this is the hypocrisy of law enforcement. It really is. They don't want you to be disarmed. They're like, hey, you're in violation of the law. You're carrying a firearm. That's a criminal offense. As he walks up to you wearing a firearm, which shows you, they show by their actions that they believe that they have more rights than you and they have a higher claim over your life and property than you.
Yeah, that's dope. That's kind of funny, dude. You guys get to drive around in that, and you know I can't drive around in this, apparently. Apparently that's a real law, so write me the ticket for my truck looking like that, dude. And let's go, and I'll get breakfast. Because I came here and told this guy I was going to get breakfast, and he says, you're going to get breakfast at 3 o'clock? Like, what the fuck, bro? What kind of shit is that? Lunch. Like, that's the dumbest shit I heard all day.
Sunday.
I understand you're upset that you're going to get breakfast.
So you guys are new guys, I guess. You guys are the new guys? You know, the old guys were like, F this, yo, this is a pretty dumb job. I'm on private property, bro. So,
Not when he stopped you.
You're mad because you pulled us over for no
He
reason.
tried to stop you.
No,
and
he
you
fucking
refused and you
didn't.
kept driving.
No, he didn't. I have it
Listen
on
to this,
tape.
bro.
I've got
You
it on
just said
tape.
that. Thank you.
He pulled us
God. You
over
are
for
so
no
dumb,
reason,
bro.
and now
You
you're
guys are
mad
dumb.
because
you
we
guys are
didn't do
saying so
nothing
much
wrong.
dumb shit.
I'm not
property
mad.
or were you
No.
with
Me, you just made that up.
I don't care.
And what,
I don't care.
And what are you
I
gonna
don't
do?
care.
What are you
I
gonna
don't
do?
care. You
I love that they got that on tape. And these are Canadian cops. This apparently happened in Canada. But he said, you just made it up, and the cop admitted he doesn't care because they do it all the time. They must not care because they're constantly making stuff up. When they pull you over, they're looking for a reason to pin you to the wall during their fishing expedition. It's not about keeping people on the roadway safe. It's not about protecting your rights. It's about trying to find something on you so that they can declare you guilty, so they can drag you through the injustice system, so they can bleed you of more money, and so they can exert their authority. This is all about power, and it's about money. Or you never would do this. You would never choose a profession where you're going to harass your fellow human beings. Never. You would never do it unless there was something wrong with the wiring in your cranial structure.
guys are fucking great.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, you little
got
shorty.
every right to go
Yeah,
What's that called? Halton Regional Police. This is in Canada.
bro, I got every right. Right, I do.
Read
I got
the
every
green
right.
ticket?
Read what fucking green ticket?
green portion
I'll
of the
read the
ticket
green
will have
ticket,
all
boys.
your options.
Yeah, and I'll go. You know where I'll go to fucking pay the ticket? I'll get to pull another ticket out of the machine, bro. It's like
Go
the
ahead.
ticket machine, bro. You guys are sick. What fucking number are you, bro?
770.
Because I'll be whatever number comes
The number is 3126783.
out of my fucking tab.
You're just another
You know-
number.
There's a lot of when I started, it's kind of funny. Never underestimate the power of the mullet, the sheer power of the mullet. He is really making some really salient points here. These guys drive around all day and they get paid not to serve and protect, but to harass and collect. It's the same in Canada as it is in the United States. You're going to give me this ticket and basically you're economically terrorizing me. You're stealing money out of my pocket. I work hard. I drive around. I do productive things. And then you are here to parasitically tear us down. He's making a lot of good points here.
On the list,
bro.
bud.
You're a fucking nerd, bro.
You're just another number on the list,
you're a fucking
bud.
stupid
Enjoy your
little
breakfast.
fuck-
Yeah, thanks very
I
much.
fucking will, bro. I'll enjoy my day. What,
Fucking
thanks
go.
to you dummies? Thanks to you guys, serve and protect, serving.
Bet your girlfriend's taller than you too, you little nerd.
This is
You guys ever kiss each other?
You guys got more money in infrastructure doing less than I do.
You guys ever
Do you even know how to work a screwdriver?
No, he doesn't fucking know how to. He probably doesn't even have all the bits at home to put up a shelf on his wife's wall.
Yeah, you gotta call somebody to fix everything, eh?
Your wife,
Yeah.
fucking her. You got a daughter, bro. She thinks I'm hot, bro. And she'd go for a ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit, bro. So it's
funny 'cause it's true.
Your shit, you stupid fuck. You stupid fuck.
You look like a little baby. Can you even grow facial hair, you little baby?
This guy's.
I mean, where do these guys get this? I mean, this is just off the cuff. What kind of job do you have? Do you even know how to work a screwdriver? You guys ever kiss each other? I'll F your wife.
Fresh out of high school. Go patrol the traffic downtown. I think it's getting busy downtown.
There's probably some like crackheads breaking into shit. 3 cops, 1 truck. Yeah. Look at him. Standard procedure. What is this? He's boob warming, bro.
Warm up your flappy man tits, bud.
Look at this guy. There he is right there. That guy right there. Verbally decimated 3 cops. They didn't know what to do. They didn't know how to handle it. And he made some really, really good points and did it with a whole bunch of humor and entertainment. Leave your thoughts about this for the World and the Global Thought Police. What I'll do is I'll leave the link to First Gen Zach so you can tell him personally how you think he did and how the interaction went from your perspective. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation starting design and also maybe become a channel member. I will see you guys in the next heavily censored shadow ban video.